What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, you beautiful people. Now, today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and this is for all of you that use iPhones to record, because as you know, you don't need a DSLR like I have right here to record videos. You can use your iPhone. And so we're going to do a quick unboxing of right here, as you can see, the DJI OM4 SE. And what this is it's just a better way to keep, your phone stabilized rather than holding your phone like this. Now you can use something like this and it'll just keep everything just stable and, lined up the way you want it. So let's get right into the unboxing. Well, there you have it. That again, it was just a quick unboxing. Again, I can't recommend or give you a full review without testing it out myself. So, that's all I could do is just do a quick unboxing. I will be trying it out for a couple weeks and then I'll do a review of it and let you know how it is. Again, I got this for, I got this for $100 at Best Buy. But again, I can't recommend it yet because I haven't tried it out. So once I do, I'll let you guys know and I'll catch you guys on the next. Peace.